How to make Lowe's the smart stop with Lowe's Pros benefits. You need to know how Lowe's can save you time and money by becoming a Lowe's Pro. Today, I'm going to ask you to share this video with someone you know that is in the residential service industry. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything. Now, this video is sponsored by Lowe's. We teamed up with Lowe's because of the convenience that they bring to plumbers, plumbing supply companies, all tradespeople, all trades professionals, because sometimes when you're out on a job, they are the best place to go. So first of all, do you even know Lowe's has delivery options? Now, when you're a member of the Lowe's Pros, delivery option is something that's available. Now, how good is that? As a residential plumbing service company, I think that's great, because if we want to install something larger that maybe we don't have in stock, the customer can pick it out, we can pick it out, whatever we want to do, but now we can actually have Lowe's deliver that to the home before we ever get there. Now, you're not standing around waiting on something or going to look at something, going to pick it up, bring it back. You're spending all your time driving around. Lowe's delivery is available. And in certain areas, you can actually get same-day delivery. So your customer orders it, gets it delivered today, and then tomorrow, you're ready to go install it. And if you've got it, the Lowe's app can make that even easier. Make sure you stay till the end, and I'm gonna let you know about the in-store perks that make it even a wiser shopping place. So now let's talk about business replenishment. What do you have set up? If you have technicians out in the field every day installing things, you can actually get set up with Lowe's to where they deliver the materials that your guys are using to your shop, so the next morning they can restock their vans. Think about that. They literally place the order while they're out on the job or as soon as they finish the job. Now it's delivered to your office so they can restock their van. Now, one way I like to do it is have a complete van stock here in the shop. That way when the guys come in, they pull what they need, but they've already ordered it, so what they need is now being delivered to me and I can get it taken care of that way. One thing too that is really good about Lowe's is the MSDA search. Now, a lot of times we have chemicals on our vehicles that most homeowners aren't used to. What do we need to do? We need to make sure we have MSDA sheets with us. You know, material safety data sheets. Now, I dealt with this a lot whenever I was doing big commercial work, but even as a residential service provider, this is something that I need on my vans because of the chemicals that we carry into people's houses. So the MSDA search by Lowe's makes that so much easier. Now, the in-store perks are great, but I've got to tell you, I really love shopping in-store. The reason being, if I'm picking up tools, and look, I'll tell you right now, I love buying tools. But I love going in the store because I want to see it, I want to touch it, I want to feel it.
Touch. Don't touch. Touch. Don't touch.
And now it only hurts when you touch it.
Touch. Do I have to follow you all day?
I want to be able to compare, and I just love that in the store feeling. I love getting someone to help me, and sometimes it's funny, I can just drive down the aisle and stuff will just jump on my cart. It has literally happened multiple times. I don't know how, but you know what? Since it's on the cart, I might as well get it. Ah, new toolbox. What? I told you I was shopping for me. Being part of the Lowe's Pros program has been fantastic for me. I can get in, check it out, and get back to work. And at the end of the day, as a plumbing company owner, that's what we all want to do. The in-store perks that Lowe's have that I think are phenomenal, first of all, if I'm pulling a trailer, the trailer parking. They have literally got parking right there where you can pull up, have a construction trailer behind you. You're not having to park out at the back of the parking lot. They've actually got this right down in front, right by the pro contractor's desk. And if you don't have a trailer, they've got the pro contractor parking right up under the awning. Then as soon as you walk in from there, you're in the pro zone. They've already got things set up. Most of the tools and materials are all close by right there. I love that. Look, right back before Christmas, I bought a multi-purpose ladder. The Little Giant Multi is the ladder choice for pros because it does so many configurations. Extension, A-frame, 90-degree, stairwell, and you can even use it to make a scaffolding system. I don't have to carry 4 or 5 ladders and scaffolding equipment. I carry one ladder that does everything. Now, at the end of the day, when it comes time to pick up, I can get home quicker or to happy hour quicker, wherever I'm headed. I bought a 6-piece tool bag. This 20-volt Max 6 toolkit has the cordless drill driver, the impact driver, the reciprocating saw, the circular saw with the vac connection, one of my new favorites, the oscillating tool, and an LED work light. And it comes with a charger and 2 20-volt batteries to power everything. This helps you get your job done quicker, more efficient, and home to the wife earlier. And a new wet dry vac. And I've got to tell you, these things make my life easier every day. Getting in and getting out and getting my tools quickly, that's what it's all about. The last thing I want to do is be in a store forever, stand in line forever.
Would you mind moving up on the line a bit?
No, I'm good. Maybe just worry about yourself.
Well, I mean, you're on the line. You have a responsibility as a person on the line to keep the line moving.
And not get the service that I need. What Lowe's, I don't have that problem. Now, also up by the Pro checkout, you've got great things. Phone chargers. Have you ever drained your battery on your phone? Maybe you don't have your charger with you in your vehicle. So you walk into Lowe's, literally, you plug it in and it'll charge it up. That is a great thing. As a contractor, I may not always have an air compressor with me, but I can refill my tank. That way, if I need air out on the job, I've got it. One of my favorite things too about Lowe's, and I've got to tell you, I don't always keep my truck clean like I should. They do have a windshield cleaning station where I can pull up and actually clean my windshield. And for safety reasons, I think that is a great idea. And it's something that has really helped me out a couple of times. And next is convenience rack. I can't tell you how many times I've skipped lunch, but to be able to get a bottle of water, candy bar, snack, something like that. Sometimes the convenience rack, that's my lunch, that's my dinner. Sometimes it's even my breakfast.
A couple more kicks should do it. Wait. Ah!
So anyway, it's a great thing to have there and know that it's there when I need it. Now I want to tell you why shopping at Lowe's is the best thing to do. It's probably closer to you than you think. Literally, you can get there, get in and out quickly, park right by the door, right by the checkout where you're going to be, and everything's good for you. Jump over and check out the Lowe's Pro benefits for yourself. You can actually save money, and Lowe's does amazing things for you. Remember guys, this video is sponsored by Lowe's, and the reason that I teamed up with them is I think Lowe's takes care of the pros. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I'll see you in the next video if you don't get flushed.